Hey, what's up guys? So today we're here at the Opus community by Taylor Morrison. Now behind me, we have the Willow floor plan. Now this plan offers 4 to 6 bedrooms with the primary bedroom downstairs, so don't go anywhere. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So welcome to Opus by Taylor Morrison here in Cadence, Henderson. Now we are located in Cadence, beautiful master plan community. We're about 25-30 minutes east of the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. This is the most affordable master plan community in the Vegas Valley, $75 a month. That's going to include like parks, trails, you have an Olympic sized swimming pool, you have splash pads, and much more that I can't think of right now. But I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So here at Opus, they have 2 different collections, okay? Altogether, they offer 10 floor plans. They offer 5 different floor plans in the Harmony collection, and then 5 different floor plans in the Melody collection, okay? Now, these floor plans are gonna be 2 to 3 story homes ranging from about 1856 square feet to about close to 2,800 square feet, okay? Now, when you look at the base prices, which I'll have listed on the screen, just know that the base price, if you want to calculate your total price, is you have to add in the lot premium as well as the upgrades, okay? So far what I'm being told is lot premiums are ranging from about 0 to 40,000 for the lot premiums. As far as upgrades, buyers, normally are putting in about $40,000 to like $70,000 worth of upgrades. That's totally dependent on you, especially with some of the structural upgrades that you can make. Now, this community has a mixture of both move-in ready, quick move-in, and build from ground ups. All right. So if you want the best deal, I would definitely get with aim for a move-in ready home. But if you want to choose your options and go through that process, the build time is going to be about 5 to 6 months, and you can literally pick out all your options and make the house the way you want it. Okay. A couple of things about the community is they're going to have 202 lots available here. They just opened up. Today is February 17, 2025. So they just opened up like a couple of weeks ago. As far as like the backyard depth, on average, you're looking at about a 17 feet deep backyard, but that's really dependent on the lot size and especially the model that you choose, right? The smaller homes, you're probably gonna have a larger backyard. But yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with the tour. All right, welcome everyone to the Willow floor plan. Now the Willow floor plan is part of the Melody collection. It's gonna be 2,784 square feet, 4 to 6 bedrooms, 3 to 4.5 bath, 2-story, 2-car garage. And the thing that is unique about this floor plan is you're gonna have the primary bedroom downstairs, okay? And then you'll have all the other bedrooms on the second floor. So yeah, let's take a look. The landscaping in the front is going to be included, as well as the paver driveway. The only thing that won't be included is going to be the as far as landscaping goes, your backyard. You're gonna have a dirt lot when you move in, and you have the HOA will give you about 6 months to about a year to fully landscape your backyard. Okay, so we're headed to the entry door. It's going to be along the side right here. Now, most of the square footage in this house is going to be on the second floor. Okay. So just a heads up. So welcome in. As soon as you walk in, you see that you have your kitchen. Okay. Now your primary bedroom is going to be that way. All right. So here you're going to have your coat closet. Okay. And then down this hallway, you're gonna have the like a study room, or you could turn that into a, I guess, your 5th or 6th bedroom. So you're gonna have your door to your garage right here. Now the way this is laid out is it's gonna be a study room. Okay. Yeah, so it's gonna be a study room. Because if you turn this into a full bedroom, you're gonna have a closet in here. And then if this is gonna be a bedroom, this is gonna be a full bath. But since that's the study room, you're just gonna have this half bath here. Okay, so we do have this linen closet here. You're gonna have your laundry room. Again, refrigerator, washer, and dryer is not included. I think you have, these cabinets are optional as well. Okay, so you got a fully upgraded kitchen. You have the quartz countertop, upgraded cabinets, 42-inch cabinets. Standard, you'd be looking at a granite countertop and then a maple oak 36-inch cabinet. So, I mean, safe to say most buyers are going to upgrade the kitchen. Okay, this is going to be your pantry. Looks like they also went with the upgrade here. You have the profile GE, the built-in cooktop. Otherwise, standard, I believe you're going to have the oven slash cooktop. Okay, stainless steel undermount sink. I believe this is optional as well. Okay, dishwasher is going to be included. Looks like you have a GE dishwasher. But yeah, here you have the upgraded kitchen package. But I like this, whenever they upgrade the quartz, I like the backsplash to like be a continuation of the countertop. I think that always looks really nice. Okay, so you have your living room here. You're gonna have your slider. Now, if you want a covered patio, that is optional. And then also if you want it to be this deep where it goes all the way down, that's another upgrade as well. Okay, so here's your primary bedroom. Now I feel like this floor plan would definitely make sense if for a family, you know, with I would say like older kids, teenagers, because the parents would stay down here on the first floor, and on the second floor, that's kind of where you have your kids will stay. Yeah, I gotta show you the game room upstairs. I think the second floor is pretty cool. Okay, upgraded shower right here. You have the fully like walk-in shower. Otherwise, as you can see here, this is the upgrade. Now this would be the standard. So you have this a tub and then a shower. Nice countertop. These brown cabinets. Browns are looks like they're coming back. Okay. So here's your walk-in closet. You also have your toilet room right here. Okay, so let's head to the second floor. I know initially when I walked in here, I'm like, you know what, it feels a little tight on the first floor, but it just depends on like what layout works the best for your family, because I think the second floor is really cool. Okay, so we got this upgraded stair rails right here. Right, so to the left, this is going to be the game room. All right, so look how open and spacious that is. Okay, and then you're gonna have 3 bedrooms just over there. And then look, you also have this other loft here, right? Yeah, plenty of space. This is such an open floor plan here on the second floor. If you wanted to add another bedroom, I believe you can do this. You can do it right over here. So again, this floor plan, this could have 6 bedrooms. Yeah, this would be really cool. so many different ideas. This could be like a movie room. This could be like a man cave. Put a pool table over here. So definitely really cool, especially, you know, it's where you're like the family, the teenagers would hang out. Okay. Now again, you're gonna have 9-foot ceilings on the first floor and second floor, and that's gonna be standard. What other features am I missing? The garage, you're gonna have a tankless water heater, water softener loop. Okay. So here, before I show you, so we're gonna have this bedroom, and then there's 3 bedrooms right up here. We got the optional deck as well. So this is gonna be a full-size bed. Looks like you have a standard closet, have one window right here. Now this is upgraded, the extended deck. See, as you can see, it's pretty nice. Now guys, if you are interested in new construction community and you're thinking about visiting for the very first time, you know, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you through the process. But if you have a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure they go with you on your very first visit. Don't go by yourself, just because as soon as you get to a new construction community, they're going to ask you for your name, phone number, and email. Once they find out you don't have an agent, they'll kind of log you in their system with no agent. And at that point, it's going to be really difficult for an agent to represent you. Okay. Now, the important thing about that is the new build agents look after the builder's best interest, but we look after your best interest. So again, never go to a new construction community by yourselves. Okay. So nice. We have like the larger guest room here. Okay. Also too, you're gonna notice in the ceilings, you're gonna have some lights. If you want to, none of these are included, these can lightings, as well as yeah, there's not gonna be anything on the ceilings in the bedroom. So if you want to add at least like a pre-wired ceiling fan, that way you'll have like a ceiling fan light. That's what a lot of buyers do. Otherwise, you could still add some of these can lights. Okay. Nice, got some cabinet space here. Have a little walk-in closet as well. Okay, this room has a full bath, upgraded cabinets, countertop, tile surround. Cool. All right, guys, yeah, so that's it for the Willow plan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys on the next one.